right, so we got our roasted chicken. We've waited our painstaking 15 minutes to let it chill and let the juices disperse throughout. So we're gonna get to actually carving this up. So first thing that we would do is cut straight down the keel bone, and we're gonna cut out from the side, and then I'm gonna leave it there just for 1 second. I'm gonna cut in on this side here and underneath, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing over here as well, just kind of prep it all around. Then I'm gonna basically finish down here, and as you get to this point here, you're gonna be able to actually cut the wing off too. So I just cut the wing off, and I go straight through the side. Now you've got a wing and a breast all together like that. The same thing, we're gonna flip it around because I'm right-handed, and we're gonna do the other side. I'm basically gonna do the opposite. And through here, I'm gonna snip down through the wing itself. That's gonna free it. And then trying not to elbow my camera person as I do this. And now we've got a wing and a breast together. And then for the thighs, you basically just wanna kind of skip down here through your joint along the thigh. There you go. So I've got the rest of my carcass there. What I would do here is because I have 3 kids, they are perfectly happy to eat absolutely anything that comes off of this. So what I usually do is I just let this sit off to the side for a couple minutes and cool down before I actually chop it. When I'm actually serving this to adults or any discerning kind of people, I break this up. So we're gonna basically separate your thigh and your drumstick. And then what I do is I chop my breast in half, leaving the wing attached to the top half of the breast, and leaving a little bit on there like that. Leave my skin on, and that's exactly how you would butcher a chicken.